everyone, Maggie here, and welcome back to another video, where today we'll be trying out my Nerf guns. I have 9 of them set out right here. Sorry, and we have 1 dart for all of them. Let's try some of these out. Let me put this one down here. So the first one we're going to try is this tiny one right here. Let's see what you do. So, I've got it here. Let's see what this thing does. Don't know where that went, but we'll see where it went. It got stuck in this tree. It's not a tree, it's a bush. I know. Just shut the hell up, okay? I don't care about logic. Alright, the next one we're going to try is this modulus. This thing actually gets some good range. I've seen this before, so I'll watch this. Where does it go? It landed in a pool. Jeez. Let's go get it. See, it was just floating in the pool. Let me just grab this. Come back. Got it. Okay. Alright, the next one we're going to try is this Recon MK2. Okay, we have it loaded. So, see where this thing goes. It has an added thing onto it, so hopefully it'll have some good range. Actually, I'll take it off. So just because it shoots naturally. Oh, it almost went in the pool. Alright, the next one we're going to try is this guy. The third EX3. Let's try you. This one is real simple to load, and it has good sights too, as you can see. So let's try this guy out. You need to get a good position from here. So oh, that has some good range to it. Let's see where that bullet went. It's right here. It landed right next to the garden. So, let's bring this back and load some more guns. Alright, the next one we're going to try is this X-Shot break barrel shotgun. Okay. Let's try you out. I've only been 2 minutes in recording this, so hopefully it goes long. See well this baby goes. Hold on, I didn't load it yet, wait. Okay, it's now loaded, so jeez! That is some good range. It landed right next to this garden gnome. I could have killed you, buddy. Okay, let's try this again. Alright, the next gun we're gonna try is the big boy AccuStrike. Alright, let's see how this thing works. This thing has some good range on it, so okay. I expected that. I actually have a real crossbow. I got that from the dump. Okay. The bullet landed, again, right next to Mr. Nomi. I just gave that guy a name like 3 seconds ago. Alright, the next one we're going to try, there's only 3 more. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. This one. Okay. Let's see what this one can do. It came preloaded, so I only had to put the dart in. Okay. That's crap range. Definitely good for a sidearm, though. Let's go see where it went. Again, it landed in the pool. This time, I'll try and grab it from here so I don't get the screen wet. The next one we're going to try is the painted zombie strike, which I painted to make it look more stylish. Okay, let's Boys, locked and loaded. Let's see. That was amazing! Oh my... Why did I throw that? I'll smash you again. Smash you again! Ah! Oh my god, I love smashing you, because you're so epic! Okay, need to find where that dart went, so... It landed next to Mr. Nomi again. Why are you almost getting shot, Mr. Nomi? Okay. I've been recording for 5 minutes and this video still isn't long enough. Okay, the final weapon we have is the actual non-painted zombie strike. Okay, let's see what this guy can do. I had to pull the trigger hard for that one. Let's see where that went. It landed next to this rake. Why am I describing where it goes? Maggie, we don't care about the objects that it's next to. We only care about your shooting. I know. I'll promise not to do that again. Bonus gun. The long arm. The bonus gun is going to be a blast. Okay, you need to smash a victory, boy. That was a perfect shot in between these rocks. Are you amazed? Yes, I am, Maggie. Okay. So, anyways, guys, please leave this video with a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.